everyone, and welcome to English Mastery Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Today, we have something special, a deep practical training to help you train your brain to speak in English and learn to think in English naturally.
Exactly. So many learners know grammar, vocabulary, and even understand English, but when they speak, they freeze. Why? Because they think in their native language first.
In this episode, we're going to train your brain step by step so that English becomes automatic.
Imagine you want to say, I want to drink water. If you first say it in your language, then translate word by word, it's slow. But if your brain already knows the phrase in English, it's instant.
I had this problem when learning Spanish. I kept translating in my head, and conversations felt like a math problem. Once I started thinking directly in Spanish, speaking became easier.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Why?
Because it's delicious and easy to make.
Warm-ups are like stretching before running. They prepare your brain.
One powerful warm-up is naming objects. Look around you. Say what you see in English. No grammar stress, just words.
When you learn a new word, don't just translate. Feel it. Connect it to an image, a situation, or an emotion.
For example, if you learn the word excited, think about a moment when you were really happy. Picture that memory. Say, I am excited.
Let's practice real conversations. First situation, meeting someone new. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. What's your name?
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Second situation, ordering coffee at a cafe. Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like sugar or milk?
Yes, a little sugar, thank you.
You're welcome.
One big barrier is fear. Learners think, what if I make a mistake? But mistakes are part of growth.
When children learn to speak, they make mistakes all the time, but they don't stop. Neither should you.
Listening is the key to thinking faster. When you listen, try to understand the meaning, not translate every word.
Today we covered a lot. Warming up your brain, thinking with vocabulary, real conversations, listening drills, and most importantly, confidence.
Remember, this is not magic. Thinking in English is a skill. If you practice every day, your brain will adapt.
Start with 10 minutes daily. Describe your surroundings, talk to yourself, listen actively.
Listener action plan. 5 minutes, describe objects. 5 minutes, short sentences about your day. 5 minutes, listen to something in English. 5 minutes, speak out loud with no translation.
Believe in your progress. Thank you for joining us.
Keep speaking, keep growing. See you in the next episode of English Mastery Podcast.